Yo, what's good with y'all? It's your boy Regrellos back with another video. I'm sorry I haven't posted in a minute, but as you can see, we have another episode concept. I'm trying to get a couple of these out so I can do a post on it. But yeah, so as you see, I got 2 pictures today. I'm not gonna do 15 pictures. I'm not gonna do collage, none of that. I have an idea in mind of what I want to do, so I'm gonna try to run with that. But yeah, first off, what I'm gonna have to do though, don't want to use a color balance to do what I'm gonna do. But it's like, do I want to saturate it? Like, okay, I'm just gonna saturate it. I'm gonna saturate it. I'm gonna saturate it with this here. Okay, so what I wanted to do is I wanted to put up the two little middle fingers from this one onto here. But first, what I'm gonna have to do to even be able to get it how I want it to be, I'm gonna have to take this take this and make it a whole nother layer. Do this. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little rusty, bro. You know what I'm saying? I can't compete in the Photoshop finals. To all y'all who support it, I appreciate y'all very much. You know, it means a lot. And then all y'all that support the videos, it means even more because, like, you know, I only got 30 subs right now, but I want to make that change. I want to grow this into a big channel. You know, I want to be one of them channels with 100K subs. I want to be able to do a plaque review, a plaque unboxing with y'all, and I'm gonna be able to do that. We're gonna reach that. I just gotta lock in with myself mentally, and so I can lock in with this. But yeah, let me know how y'all doing in the comments. You know, let me know what y'all think. Also, you know, hey, this cover how it come out. Yeah, connect me more, y'all. I wanna be able to reach out to y'all. Y'all reach back out to me, and you know, have that mutual feeling. You see, feel me? I got this done. Boom, we gonna layer view, copy that one, and then you see it look goofy as hell. I should have did this better. No, hold on. You know what? I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna do this with like let me see. Cause bro, like it's doing that weird shit. Like it don't have a circle anymore. There we go. Now I'm just gonna go over it a little bit more. I should zoom in. That's my problem, bro. I don't ever zoom in. Then I wonder why it comes out so ass. Bro. Bro, like I appreciate the people that are like, bro, this came out so good, this looks good, yeah, you're talented, bro. I appreciate y'all, bro, because like I ain't gonna lie, bro, I be feeling the opposite sometimes, and that's those type of comments just cheer me up, bro. So like it's mostly people on TikTok though, and which is crazy, bro, because you usually get a lot of hate on TikTok, which I do tend to get some haters, and I appreciate them. I love them same way I love my supporters, but I love everybody that even interacts with me, bro, because you know you don't gotta interact with me. What if I threw this up in the back, like on some blend into the background type shit? Like it looks bogus, fuck, but bro, and I don't know, like I'm like so like it's not that I'm tired, but it's like, bro, like I don't know. I be drinking coffee and shit, bro. It wakes me up, but then sometimes it gets me like jittery, bro. I don't know. Alright, do for me. Okay, I would add in more pictures, but I told y'all the challenge is using those 2 pictures. But I gotta stick with what we got. Let's see. It's gonna be, I want it to be like a Doril Oso concept. Bro, I'm trying it. I want him to use something, bro. I want him to use something, but I don't know if it's gonna happen. Hopefully. Oh my god. Do some like some shadowing and lighting on it. Just a little bit. So like, bro, the only problem I have is that like so I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to get any on these fingers because it's like making the background more light. I don't want that. You know, bro, y'all already know I had to hit my favorite one, bro. My favorite technique, man. It's just I don't think I want it right there though. It's the thing. Like I'd like it on here, but like in the back. So maybe if I like finesse a little bit, I can like have it so it's like through the back a little bit, like that. So like do like a big, let's do like a big eye right there or something. And try to blend it in with the erase tool. Kind of like I did with the Cardi one, if y'all seen the Cardi cover that I did. Shadow all the edges so you can't see how poor I do with the cutting out. Feel me? Nice. Maybe something like that. And then let's throw another, bro. I'm gonna throw another gradient on top of that gradient. So like, but I'll rock with this though. Then since these are no, see, I wish I would have did the shadowing for these. Said, wait, did I? But I didn't for that. That's the only problem. Gotta test out all my ideas. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do like the real, my caps lock on, the real and again, bro, this might not even be how the gradient comes out. I might change it, bro. So like I'm just testing things, experimenting and everything, which is what goes into good art, you know. It's how good art is made. So then let's do that, and then let's do also on the other side, and make it like look like a tattoo like the other one does. A little less, and then hit the blur. Which really just made it so it didn't even matter that I did that. Real old stuff. Alright. So then it's honestly, let's do the half and half like that, and forget the little 4 square shit. You see, like it doesn't really do nothing. That there. Oh yeah, that's hard. See if I can throw a photocopy texture on here too and make it look even better. Oh my god, that's tough. Wait, but why is it? Okay, I just click key. Keep that vintage grainy look. Not granny, grainy. Alright, here we go. That's been how to make a Glokk40Spaz, the real also style cover. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure y'all hit the like button, subscribe. Comment down what y'all want to see next, who y'all want me to do a cover for next, and don't be commenting down no trash garbo niggas. Now, if you enjoyed this video, like I said, like, subscribe, comment down, and follow me on the gram, bro. That's what I was getting at, bro. Follow me on the gram. Peace.